Let's make this beaded fringe together, shall we? Same right here is 5 yards. Let's jump into the material. So we need the long twisted bead, and then we also need sand bead. We need this bead right here, or any crystal bead. In size 6, and of course we need a strip. So let's jump in. So first things first, we're going to be tying the needle and thread at the back of the strip. That's the side you don't want the fringe to come out of. So just tie it right there, and next thing to do is you put your needle through the point where you tied it, and then bring out your thread in front, so that way it starts neatly in front but the tie was at the back. So what we're going to do is to pick the first twist bead, put a sand bead right there, and then we're going to put in the crystal bead, put another sand bead, we'll put a twist bead right there, and then we go ahead to take the bead we're going to be locking with, which is this love shaped bead right here, and then we'll pick a sand bead to lock. So this right here is what we have. Push it down, and then we're going to bring in the sand bead right down. That's the last sand bead. Bring it down, and then walk your needle through all the beads that we had put in before, and then we're going to be taking the thread back to the strip, put it inside through the point where you brought it out the first time, and this is what you have right here. And then you go ahead to tie at the back. So we tied it initially at the beginning, you tie that way at the back, and by the time I finished, this right here is what it looked like. You can use it for just about any outfit you want. It's also available in case you want to make an order in any length and color. Thanks so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.